Hello guys, welcome to Urban's Knowledge. Today the tutorial is about the new Windows Insider preview build that Microsoft has released to Windows Insider dev channel. Now you can see here. So let's have a look on this. Microsoft now announcing the Windows 10 Insider preview build 21364. And of course this is a build after a week that Microsoft released to dev channel to all insiders, and let's see what's new in this build 21364. In this build, first Microsoft just upgraded the new Linux GUI applications, which we will be able to run the Linux GUI application directly on Windows using the first preview of GUI app support on the Windows Subsystem for the Linux WSL. And here are the preview of GUI of Microsoft Store that you can see, and how it works actually. So this is the update, very good update from Microsoft towards the insiders. Another update is Task Manager now supports Microsoft Edge process classification, and Microsoft Edge team is supporting processing classification Task Manager. This will of course help us to identify the resource consumption under Microsoft Edge, and the classification is broken down into several different components like tasks, browsers, processes. And you can see here the preview of Microsoft Edge Task Manager processes. Another update to this build is the new optional echo mode in Task Manager, which helps the users to provide an option to throttle the process resources. It will also help identify apps that are already running in echo mode. So this feature is too helpful to all of insiders that you can notice an app consuming high resources and would like to limit its consumption, so that the system gives priority to their steps, which will lead to faster background responsiveness and better energy efficiency. So you can see it in the preview. Now echo mode will be exist in the right click menu when you right click on any process in the Task Manager. So here is the option that how can you enable echo mode for any process. Further you can check it out, and this was the update from Microsoft. Another update to this build is Japanese 50 on touch keyboard is now will be existed in the new touch keyboard of Windows 10, and it will be very excited that it includes the new keyboard layout for Japanese, and of course it's a popular layout widely used for iOS devices in Japan, and it will also allow Japanese to use their own keyboard for Japanese text initially without knowing how to compose heterogeneous characters. So this was the update. You can see the previews here. Also this build includes a lot of changes and improvements. You can fully check it out and read it out. So Microsoft released this week this build to all of insiders. To dev channel, you can download it. Here the query from that channel. So guys, this was the bit I just share with you this video. So thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one.